Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to either turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn it on, simply press and hold the side button for a second or two, basically until the watch turns on, and to wake up the screen on it, simply press the side button. Once you wake up the screen or turn on the watch, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel or shortcut menu, and here tap on the settings icon, this one. In settings you should see the reset option, tap on it, and then tap on yes to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a second or two, the reset should be complete and your watch should vibrate a couple of times. And that's how you factory reset this device, by using the system settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.